Junking fool over here at my nephew's house. He's got a recycling business going on over here. Computers, and there's Dan right there.
What's going on?
He's got all kinds of stuff. You mind if I nose around a little bit, Dan?
Don't have a blast.
This is his work van. There's our Astro van. There's Debbie. He's into everything. Signed, decal, t-shirts, stickers, graphics, videos, all that kind of stuff. He brings it in pretty fast. You recycle cardboard or no?
As soon as I have a baler, yeah. We send it to another place right now.
Oh, okay.
And they just take it free. But as soon as I've got a baler, I got a paper mill that offered me $200 a ton for it.
Oh yeah, that's good. So anyway, I'm not going to go all through here, but let me show you some of his computers right there. He got his organization skills from Uncle Bill. Hey, thanks for stopping by. He's got to get to work. Bye-bye.